Hello, this is Dave Scott Peters with therestaurantexpert.com, and I got a few questions for you. Food costs out of control? Are you getting bled dry at the time clock? Are your employees idiots? Can you get your manager to do their job? Heck, do they even know what it is? Or are you looking for that 2-3% because your margins are disappearing? No matter where you fall in that spectrum or what your challenges are, I've got all the solutions for you to take your business to the next level and make you more profitable in 2019 than you've ever been before. I want you to join me live in Las Vegas this December 13th and the 14th for a 2-day Ultimate Restaurant Prosperity Seminar. It'll be held at the Embassy Suites, Las Vegas. And over this 2-day period, I'm going to give you every solution and tool you need to be successful in the restaurant business. It is a sprint to giving you all the tools from budgeting and controlling your prime costs, that's your food cost, pork cost, labor cost, to new levels to operate like a chain restaurant without giving up the fact that you're an independent. See, we're going to still love our guests. We're still going to love our employees, but we are going to do what they do well, and that's make money. We're going to put systems in place to allow you to impose your will without having to be there. See, restaurant owners, I want you working on your business, not in it. I don't want you saving $15 an hour because that's what you can do, jump on the line, when you are losing thousands upon thousands by not paying attention to your business. Now that's all bottom line related. How about my special guest presenter, Cameron Carrington, the CEO of Repeat Returns? He is the marketing authority when it comes to restaurants, and he's a good friend of mine. I've known him for almost 15 years now. He'll be coming and presenting. We'll be talking about Yelp and some proven restaurant marketing techniques that you need to have to take your business to the next level. So we'll be addressing the top line mentality along with bottom line efficiency. Now wait, there's more. I want to tell you about the special bonuses I'm going to give you. You sign up today, I'm going to give you the ability to bring a guest with you for free. And then as a special bonus, I'm going to give you Budget Creator Pro software. I'm going to teach you budgets, and I'm going to give you the solution. I'm going to give you our restaurant management training program called Smart Restaurant, the paint by numbers of all the systems we teach. You go home with everything you need. Heck, if I show you a spreadsheet, odds are I'm going to send you home with that spreadsheet so you don't feel like there's a bait and switch. Okay? And if you're a non-member, right? Members, you have all these solutions in Smart Systems Pro. But if you're a non-member and you choose after the seminar, you want to join the ranks of therestaurantexpert.com, use our Smart Systems Pro and all the coaching we have to offer, the seminars and workshops and so on, I'll apply 100% of your tuition to your first month's membership if you sign up by the end of the year. Look, what are you waiting for? Have you been circling my YouTube channel for years now? Have you been wondering whether it's worthwhile or not? Do you need to get some of your current managers to drink the Kool-Aid, to buy into systems and profitability and all these things? Well, if any of those things are true, I hope I see you in Las Vegas this December 13th and 14th at the Embassy Suites, Las Vegas for, again, my special 2-day event, the Ultimate Restaurant Prosperity Seminar. I'll see you there.